running out of luck here. Lost 2 floor chains, and ooh, twine built up on that one. And it took out the guides too. This guide's bad and this guide's bad. And this is a new guide, new chain. But I should have 2 guides and 7 chains. So I'm going to change the chains out and the guides, and hopefully still have time left to finish baling today. We'll see. It's noon, and I got 10 acres left to go. And luckily I bought the chains. I've never put them in, but then my dad bought these years and years and years ago at New Holland. When this chain went bad, he replaced that, and then bought all they had, which was 3. So I gotta buy 3 more to, well, I think there's 8. I gotta buy 4 more sometime. But anyway, I'm just gonna change these 2 out and put the chains on, and hopefully I got about 10 acres left to cut or bale, so hopefully that'll be enough. So I got a 1/2 inch here. We'll see if I can get these flush head fasteners out. They're just gotta go under here, and I like these right here. So we'll see if I can get those. See if I can get those sprayed with some lube and keep from breaking them. Okay, there's one. If you just hammer it in and out, works pretty well. And then the lube, any kind of lube, penetrant, will help break the rust up as you work it back and forth. At least that's always worked for me. Good. Oh, they're square. Okay. Alright, so we got flush head carriage bolt thing going on here. I guess that's what helps. Right, I got a couple down there I need to take out in the middle. Now we're underneath. I just took that one out. Now I'm working on this one. Okay, I got the bolts out that I needed to. These bolts are usable. I don't have these bolts. Alright, so just need to bolt this in like so and put the chain on, and she'll be ready to go. Let me go find some. I think I'll be able to get away with a carriage bolt here. I mean, it's not going to be good on the chain, but hopefully that'll work temporarily. I should have something like this and a carriage bolt, because I highly doubt that's going to be, yeah, I don't think that's going to work. I mean, I guess I could make it work. I think that's too risky. I think the tracks are more important than the chains. I think that's kind of been the problem. So this pan wouldn't hurt to replace it either. And then I've got nothing to bolt to up front, so it's like I need a whole piece of sheet metal back here. Oh well. I'm gonna go ahead and change out this track because it's about to give up too. These outer 2 look like they got a little bit left, so I don't know, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one out just to be on the safe side. So I've got just cotter pins here, or some kind of wire. These are something else. They almost got to be cut. There we go. I think somebody put these on with baling wire. Okay, there we go. I thought that would come out easier. My hammer. Put that with a grinder. Okay, this should let the floor chain spin freely. I've just set the this off. This is so sloppy, it needs to be replaced. Matter of fact, now I realize the wooden guide is gone. I found it in the field. And anyway, take that chain loose, and I should be able to just guide this back, I hope. Or not. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's get these guides swapped out. That's the other third one. That's probably pretty close to letting go. I think the guides let go and destroy the chain, I guess. Seems something like that's going on. So. Alright, I gotta take these, what's left of these carriage head bolts up top here. I'm gonna try and get them out. The floor is gone, but the carriage head bolts or whatever used to be here, not quite for sure, is still there. So there's a frame in my way, so I'm gonna try this wobble head up front. Well, I was able to get one. I could only get it broke free with this is pretty much the remnants of a carriage head bolt. So looks like I can get one of these in. About it. These bolts I'll just try to knock through. I think I can just knock them through and then run carriage heads through there. I think I've got, I have to check and see if I even have a carriage head that long. I think I do. Yeah, I got a stash here. So this should go out here, no problem. Out here, hold that down. And then I think take my hammer and improvise punch here. Just knock these out. Yeah. Maybe, maybe not. It might be a little too aggressive. One that was replaced previously. Okay, that one fell through. What about this one? Still got sheet metal around it. There we go. Okay. Good. Jolly good. Jolly good show. Alrighty. Wow. Going well. Let's get a drink. These put on under there. And then I gotta go up there and knock one out so I can get a carriage bolt. Not tight, just snug. Back up there and get that one real quick. That didn't do nothing. Oh, tetanus. Okay, that didn't work. Grind the head off of that one. Oh, there we go. Now, I think I've got enough bolts here. Lucky me. I'll have to buy some more. Alright, I'm gonna go underneath there and tighten those down.
Crawling there?
Yeah, don't worry, it's safe, totally. See them shiny bolts up there?
Yeah.
Starting with those two, I need you to push I need you to push down on that. So crawl in there. You crawl in there. Okay. Hold the bolts down. Alright, there. Push it down. Don't let it turn. And then I gotta put the nuts on. So we'll just move down the line, okay?
Okay.
Alright, it's working.
What if this thing falls down on Bobby?
It's got safety locks in the cylinders.
Oh.
So if the hydraulics break, it won't fall down.
Bobby, why did you choose to wear ripped pants?
It's ripped.
Next one.
Okay.
Your next two. You ready?
Giving you guys company?
No.
Ellie, stop.
Go away.
We're just watching. Daddy, I can't see you. Oh, I see your feet. Tell me.
Okay.
Tightening these screws.
Next one.
Okay.
Next one.
I'm stuck.
There's only three left.
Push
What?
down.
I'm pushing.
Push down on this one. Okay, next one. Now the
Where's
last one, right?
Hi,
There
Ellie,
we go.
where's your kids?
All good.
I don't have kids.
Thank
Where's
you.
your kids?
You're
Oh,
welcome.
I don't have kids.
That's
Hey,
all.
Bobby, where's your kids?
Oh man, that was miserable. Please be pinned. Ah, awesome. Okay. Good, goody. All right, so we will start with this one. And I think I will feed it up to here. And then bring it around and feed it through the idlers. Oh, that's how they do it. Right? Is that how I'm gonna do it? I think that's how I'm gonna do it. That's where it's going to have to be. Let's see if I can do it. It's really not going to work. Yep, there she comes. Back down through. Oh well. I'm going to feed the chain up to you, and then you just pull it up to here.
I'll just watch.
All right?
Okay.
And then, can you grab it? Oh,
Grab
you got
it.
it. Can you pull it back towards the... There we go. Oh, hang on. Okay. All right, just hold her there, and I'll come get it and link it up. We might have to, actually, I don't know. Okay. Oh, hey.
Hey.
All right, step there. All right, go ahead and step back. Okay, I gotta link that up somehow. Look at that.
Did that work?
That worked. There we go. New chain. Did I put it on right? Looks right.
So did she thought that was strange, didn't she? They live in a cabin in the woods all by themselves, but to have all these houses close together. Lydia, where are you going? Bobby, come here.
I'll give it a quick test. I gotta drop it anyway because I gotta oil the chain up. Get in the boots here. Hopefully that's it for today. Hopefully I get to bale. I'll make it 10 more acres.